I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Whatever. Whatever. Oh God. Do you want to be best friends? Do you want to do karate in the garage? Okay. Do you want something to drink? Or I want a Mountain Dew. Okay. Oh, is there any more food, Fred? There you go.
Oh, thank you.
I want a Sunny D.